Okay, so I want to make a video concerning ADOS genetics and on a specific topic. It's about when ADOS admix with a person and people call that the child or offspring a quarter African when it's not the case. Here's the thing. The average ADOS is 20% European. And a lot of us are 30% European. It's a very small minority of us that are 5% European or less. Okay. So when an ADOS mixes with a person with 100% of a genetic makeup, their child is not 50% African and 50% something else because the ADOS already has 20% European. So when the child is born, that they're going to have around 60% European and 40% African. And just to clarify, ADOS with 20% European, these ADOS have brown skin. They have bold features. They can have afro textured hair. Okay. So if we use Drake as an example, Drake is likely only 40% African and 60% Jewish. Okay, since his father is likely mixed, admixed. It's even possible his father is 25 or 30% European, which a lot of ADOS are. But if we use the lower end, Drake is around 65% European and 40 to 35% African. So if this 60-40 person mixes with a person who's 100% something, like his baby mama, the child is not going to be 75% European and 25% African because the parent is already 60% European. They're not just 50. So Drake's child is more likely around 80% European and 20% African. And there's a good chance that he's even less than that. He's most likely around 15 to 10% African and 85% European and Jewish. Okay. And it's the same thing for Meghan Markle. Meghan Markle's mother is Meghan Markle's mother is ADOS as well. Likely she's around 25% European, possibly 30% European. So Meghan Markle is around 60, 65, maybe even 70% European and around 30% African. And since she mixed with Harry, her child is not going to be a quarter African. He is most likely 80, 85, maybe even 90% European. So I just wanted to clarify that. More so because I feel like we try to attach ourselves to these admixed people to almost elevate ourselves. We don't have to attach to admixed people to elevate ourselves or to live through them. We're fine just the way we are, especially when we're trying to attach to these people who are 80, 85%, 90% European.